Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamenta kasni. Kaseng JSU kum shibenta ka jingya lenti sha umau mer ka jingdap san posnem kala pelong shibun ki jingya lang ki jingya le kai sports bat ki wei ban le kmen ya ka jingya lenti ban pinkut ya ka le kmen san posnem ha uni ubnai December arhajar arpuar ha ka khat pratring. Ka JSU ling ba ka clear red circle menta kasni kala pelong ya ka program ha ka jingya trailang bat ka office UDC bat SP East Giant Hills ban ai jing Pynsngewthuh shaki khynnah pulia jengki school ki badan hapo kathan East Giant Hills. Balawan shimbenta da ka St. Anthony's College, Bindi Hati, Clear Higher Secondary School, bar ki way pat ki program bala pelong ha hall jong ka jaka puli ha St. Anthony's College, Bindi Hati. Hagani ka program la penyat ya ka u General Secretary Sengkmi usamla Trebor R Sushan balayo jingkran mat phang no President Samla Levinson Sama balayo jingkran na ikongsan ikong F1 MCS EAC DC office balayo ru ka jingkran na usimbot kongsan u SIS Thamar na Clear Police Station. Bat ka kran priang buram na Father George Linkoy, i principal ka St. Anthony's College, balayo ka jingkran na President Sengkmi, usamla Jersam Shilla, bala penwai bat kublay da President ka South Border Zone usamla Ajoy Minson Lingdo, bat hadin layo ka jingkran Pynsngewthuh yakaman jong ka program A Drug Free Society. Da arngut kinongkran ikong Rinibet Patulong ibalong i program manager MCSWA TICC Clear na kami Mentdu Community Social Welfare Association MCSWA. But ima heibor parian unong tray barim ka Voluntary Health Association Meghalaya VHAM ka JSU kanangyay pelong syu kumkini ki program kaseng kari jantia bante alakam ya ka jingkni ki nongdi drog ha ka than bar hapo ka jilahi baro ka we.
Danger of drug abuse. Like just now what the General Secretary said, that Meghalaya is not only the transition point, but it has now become a destination point. You understand what it means, transition point? It means like Meghalaya, usually it was a route, Kaluti line, Kaluti line. Because India is in between the Golden Triangle and the Crescent Moon, the hotspot of drugs production. Usually, in the past, India used to be only a transition, but now it has become a destination point. Hitau uman nudu Kaluti line, deman naga katau kadai, katau kayau yang ka drugs. That we don't want Meghalaya to be a destination point, because we understand for the past decades we have many
But still, life goes on. Tidiri, engineer have to set me, you have to set your goal and make it happen. And you have to set a plan, you have to make a plan and make it happen. TPA, you pun awan kami, you pun awan kami. Tanggo speak with the government. Tanggo teman ni, come the future of India, making possible into possible. Let's go.
Like I cannot believe that good is sin. You are your worst thing. What are you? They will come back. But say, ring by TV. You know, talk. You come on TikTok. Come on Instagram. Bring it. You are in video. Making it up on TikTok. Show you. You are worst thing. Why? Only why? Nobody. Well, anybody. Money. Your name. Oh, pergi apa? Dia. Tapi kenapa?
Wow, pelan kecet, pelan rock. Yang tu di efek kita intang masalah ni, tam kena dulu, kiyut yang ni, naskul, ya terus sendiri. Kian timur dengan drugs. Drugs tu ada substance, jadi chemical, waktu kejepin untuk kata ini, habis sekali mendengar. Drugs yang lagi aman tak? We on the drugs, man legal, we man illegal drugs. Kalau macam tiga legal drugs, ini tiga legal drugs, psychotropic substances sampai chemical. Kalau tadi drugs, illegal drugs, percaya kan? Sorkar, ambil dem kayak gini ke drugs. For me, doing income only NDPS Act, narcotic drugs, psychotropic language.
The more he wants it, and where will he get the money to buy more drugs? All his expenses will be used on drugs. And if suppose his body wants more and more drugs, how will he get the money to buy? He will resort to theft. He will resort to robbery. Sometimes he will resort to even murder. He will lead the life of crime, and his life will be cut. His future will be cut short. So we don't want our youth to go down that path. We want our youth to be the future. We want our students to be the hero, to be on a mission to save others from this menace of drugs. When you see your friends, your family, your neighbor, they are on the path towards drug, help them. Don't be afraid to don't be afraid to tell them you should say no to drugs. At least you have done your part in saving a life.